have to confess, I have always been a scientist. Ever since my memory started, I have been outside playing in creeks and playing in streams. And then when I was in high school, I was hired by the county to do outdoor leadership. So I've just always enjoyed being outdoors and being a scientist and just looking at the natural world. I've had a varied career. My general topic has always been soil ecology, looking at the relationship between different organisms and how they interact in soils. But I also have moved into conservation work. I work a lot on the Haw River, and I work a lot on streams and the soils in streams. I have 2 projects that are currently underway. I'm still working on the Haw River and conservation work on the Haw River. I'm also looking at the microbial ecology of streambed soils and how past agricultural practices influence that. The soils that we're looking at are important because they're the last barrier for materials moving from the land into the stream. So the microbial community there is the last protective barrier to keep the stream water clean. And so I'm working with a team of students, and I've had probably 5 years of different students working through my lab looking at those relationships. We're about to move into looking at agricultural soils using the same kinds of techniques. The process of collecting and analyzing soil is really fun. We put on waders, we go out into the streams with a great big soil auger, we grind it into the stream bank and take soil samples, and then we bring them back, and we have to process them the day that the samples are collected. So we spend a full day, 10 hours in the lab, measuring soil and adding different reagents to it, and then just looking to see how the microbes in the soil react with those different reagents. What we're looking at is the effect of erosion on microbial processes. The taller the stream bank, the less microbial activity happens. The work that we're doing is actually geared not only to the academic world, but to conservation practitioners, and we'll probably have 2 publications coming out this year. My next things to look at, though, are sustainable agriculture, and to look at some of these microbial processes in agricultural soils, and to look and see how sustainable agriculture techniques, like what we do on the farm here with Grow Biointensive, how that changes the microbial ecology of soil to make the soil quality better for crop production.